Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Study with Akanksha. So in this channel, I have took the basic 4 subjects that come under a government exams. Those are reasoning, maths, English and current affairs. All such syllabus would be according to the latest pattern that is followed according to the government exams. So the very first video is about the subject reasoning and the very first lesson is about puzzle. So there are various types of puzzle. The very first puzzle I have took is about the line arrangement. So in this presentation, we will learn a very few basic concepts of line arrangement. Basically, what is line arrangement? The simplest way in which you can arrange the number of persons given in the question, whether the number of persons would be 5, 6, 7, 8, etc. So the main thing you have to focus is that the examiner will give a particular condition that the number of persons would face in that direction. Whether the number of persons could be facing north, could be facing south, or in some questions, as it is the latest pattern, some persons would be facing north and some would be facing south. So the very first question I have took very basic. So considering this question, what is the question? There are 5 friends sitting in a row facing north. A is sitting to the immediate left of C, B is sitting to the immediate right of D, E is sitting in the middle such that A is to the right of E. So what the examiner want to ask is, what is the order of the friends from left to right? So the very first problem comes in the mind of the student is, ma'am, where we have to start the question with? So we have to spot out the basic line, the main line of the question. So here the main line is E is sitting in the middle. So we will start the question from this line. So the step 1 will be, we will make 5 such spots and E would be placed in the middle. So next step is step 2. Consider the statement about A and C. What was the statement about A and C? A is sitting to the immediate left of C. So for step 2, we can place A and C on the very first 2 spots. They told that A is sitting to the immediate left of C. So C would be placed to the left of E and A would be placed to the immediate left of C as said in the question. So considering the step 3 now. Consider the statement about B and D. What was the statement? B is to the immediate right of D. So for step 3, neglecting the step 2, make those 5 spots, place E in the middle as was given, D and B. B is sitting to the immediate right of D. So I have placed D to the right of E and B to the immediate right of D. So these are the first 2 steps that will make. Then the main line of the question is E sitting in the middle such that A is to the right of E. So consider this statement very carefully now. If we place A and C to the left of E, then B and D space would not be there, such that D and B would not be able to fit in. So if we are considering the statement 3, then there would be no such space for A and C to fit in, as in statement it is told that A is to the right of E. So according to this, we will combine step 2 and 3. If A and C would be placed to the right of E, only then there would be space for D and B to fit in, as in statement it was told that E is sitting in the middle such that A is to the right of E. So the final arrangement that comes out is, the very first 2 spots are occupied by D and B such that D is to the immediate left of B, E in the middle, and A, as in the given statement, A was placed to the immediate right of E. So the last spot would be for the C. So this is how the very first question completes. So this was the easiest question I have started for the understanding of the topic line arrangement, in which the persons was facing north. So in the next video, I would take the persons facing south. Also, I will provide, according to the videos, the latest questions in the comment section for you to attempt. must attempt it and answer in the comment section that you have attempted it. Thanks for watching the video. Stay tuned for the next video. Thank you.